So we're about to do an unboxing of our first package from Hat Club. Trying to restart my collection. So join me on this unboxing. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the hats. Open this bad boy up, try them on. Let's do this thing. Alright, so now let's get into this unboxing. This is the box they sent it in. Nice, perfect size for a hat, or a couple hats. Alright, let's open it up. Couple scissors here. Oh shit, you gotta be careful. Fun part. Okay. There's only one hat though. Got the Lakers. Kind of like this one. It's kind of, I feel like this is like Dennis Rodman inspired. Got it on sale. Yeah, Dennis Rodman inspired Lakers. Strap back. Strap back on it. 47 cleanup. Let's try to adjust it and see if it's gonna fit me good. Got a big head. I wear a size 8. It's big. I feel bad for my mom for having to push my big head out. Let's see if this fits. Okay. Okay, what y'all think? Did it fit my big head or not? What you think? It's a little snug. I mean, it fits on my big old dome, so I can't be mad. This is my fit. It's just y'all ain't feeling it. What y'all think? You let me know. I'm just too flamboyant. Just right. What you think? Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. I got 4 more hats out of this order, so this is only one of the 5, or yeah, one of the 5. So if you guys want to see the guys and girls, want to see the other 4, make sure to like I said, like and subscribe. Also comment below what videos you'd like to see. And yeah. Check this bad boy out again. Lakers. 4360. Strap back. Got kind of like a brass buckle right there. Nice. Comes with a little thing, so if you want to hang it up, put it in your Christmas tree or ornament. However you want to do things. Don't let me tell you how to do it. You live your life the best way you know how.
You stay cool like how you be cool, all right? No doubt, all right, water.
You feel me? So yeah, man. Got me a new hat. Got me some shoes back here.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Check out my customs. Might do another video showing these off. What y'all think? Y'all comment below. Let me know if y'all want to see a video on these. I also got these. See them good. Those are Candy Customs. Candy Crush. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff I need to upload. Got me some custom dollars here. Custom made by me, of course. Custom shoes made by me, of course. I mean, I don't mind promoting other people's stuff, but so if you got anything for me to promote, you got anything you want me to unbox of yours, if you want me to do any brand ambassadors, if you need me to be a brand ambassador, you want to do any sponsorships, anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. But yeah, appreciate you guys and gals viewing, and like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the hat. Man, I think that looks good. I don't know. I think anything with this bald head, you know, big old chrome dome, anything but that looks good. So yeah, I'm getting used to wearing hats again. It's been a while, but getting used to it coming into my own. So yeah, thanks for viewing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So y'all, I just figured out that this is actually a women's hat. I did not know that. If y'all think this is too flamboyant, I ain't mad at you, because I mean, if it's a women's hat, obviously it makes sense. But at the same time, I mean, I feel like hats have no gender. So I mean, shit, if I can pull it off, then I can pull it off. If I can't, don't matter if it's women's, men's, kids, old people hat, if there's such thing. You know what I'm saying? So it don't matter what kind of hat it would be. If I don't pull it off, I can't pull it off. So if y'all think I can pull it off, say you pull that thing off. If you don't, say take that thing off, and I might be selling this bad boy. Who knows? It might be on sale again. So yeah, like I said, comment below, let me know. Just want to add this little part in there, because I know somebody probably gonna say, man, you wearing a woman's hat, what you doing? What is you doing? What are you doing, baby? But I didn't know. But now I know. But I'm still gonna rock this thing. For sure. So yeah. Let me know. Bye.
One more thing.